places this thing could have stopped moving. It's stuck in the gate. See if I can open up the switch and see what's actually wrong with it. There's 6 screws, it looks like, on this panel. 2 there, 2 there, and 2 there. I'm gonna pull it off and see if this switch, see there's no sound coming from this switch. It's supposed to toggle up and down and have a spring to it. So I'm assuming this switch just broke, but we'll see if I can hotwire it. This is supposed to spring from one side to the other, so I'm assuming that the parts in here are all gummed up and stuck. That's why it's not working. I suspect that this switch will come apart right here with something that you do with these, but I'm about to find out. What's the worst that can happen? I break it. It's already broke anyway. Right here, right there, there's a little notch. So I think if I just get under here and pop it off. Oh, well, it started to come apart. Let's get the other side. Watch little pieces go flying everywhere.
Yeah.
It's all right. We can pick up little pieces. Tico's helping me. Oh, let's see what it is. Oh, shit.
Oh.
How does that work? Oh, it's broke. This plastic piece right here is actually supposed to be attached to that little white thing in there. I think this is how it's supposed to function. I think it's broken. Maybe we can super glue it.
If we have a super glue, it's 40 minutes away.
So I pre-drilled through the switch and through this little piece and then screwed in. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna put the switch back together and see if we hear it engaging or not. Well, the switch went back together, so I guess that's right. Oh no. There's one more step further than that it has to go. I think. I think it's missing one step. So that's correct. Where it goes up and clicks on like that, that's full parking. That enables the hydraulics for the lift, but then I think it's supposed to click one more time. So maybe I gotta try to get something lined up in there. Okay, so now I gotta put this thing back together, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how this switch works. This here, these 2 springs are for the light on the panel. This is how that light gets the electricity to it. And then these 2 pins go down in there and they swivel back and forth for a 3-position toggle. And to activate that toggle, you're moving this little piece and it pushes these like that when they're in there. So let's put this thing back together maybe and see if it actually works. Maybe I talk a lot and can't back it up. There's one, I think. Yeah, that's the correct direction. And I do think that these 2 might be a little different. The one needs to be on one side and the other needs to be on the other side, but I'm not sure which goes where. There it goes. See, and they toggle back and forth in here.
I think you fixed it.
That's how it's supposed to sound, ladies and gentlemen. It's supposed to click here to turn the parking brake on. And then right there. And then one more.
So what did you do different this time?
I put this in a little bit further, but actually what it was is that white piece wasn't perfectly straight either. Well, I guess just go try plugging it in and see if it disengaged the parking brake. Do I gotta hook it all the way back up and then try it, or I can just stick it like this? Oh, it's not gonna come off because I don't have my seatbelt on.
Oh.
The middle works. Let's start it. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll put it back together inside. Okay, I got the switch put back in. Now I just come back here and plug it in. I bet you anything my hand hit it and turned it off. Yeah, it did. Turned it off as I was pushing here, my knuckle went boop. Yeah, see, with the seatbelt undone, you can't take it out. It automatically comes on. One more screw and then the true moment of truth.